Welcome to you Interior Designs YouTube channel. When it comes to adding an extra touch of charm and elegance to our living spaces, fancy decoration pieces take center stage. These exquisite and tasteful accents possess the power to transform any room into a captivating heaven. From uncertainly designed crystal vases that glimmer in the soft light to ornate figurines that grace the slabs with their delicate beauty. These fancy decoration pieces effortlessly capture attention and spark conversation, whether you're down to the opulence of gilded sculptures or the understated grace of artisanal ceramics. They're the fancy pieces to suit every taste and style. These decorative gems not only serve as eye-catching focal points but also reflect our personality and passions, turning our homes into extension of ourselves. With a careful selection of these adornments, we can infuse our living spaces with a sense of luxury and refinement, creating an atmosphere that is both inviting and mesmerizing to all who enter. So, let your imagination roam freely as you explore the world of fancy decoration pieces, uncovering treasures that will delight your senses and elevate the aesthetics of your cherished abode. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.